'Tis the last rose of summer left blooming alone. All her lovely companions are faded and gone. No flower of her kindred, no rosebud is night to reflect back her blushes. Forgive sight for sight. I'll not leave thee, the long one, to pain on the steam, since the lovely are sleeping. Go sleep thou with them. This kindly I scatter thy leaves over the bed, where the midst of the garden lies and plays.